Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if your daily brushing routine is really giving your teeth the deep clean they deserve? Or if you're being a little too harsh on your gums? Well, that's exactly what we're looking into today with the Oral-B Pro 500 Electric Toothbrush in sleek black. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest reviews and beauty tips. Right off the bat, the Oral-B Pro 500 promises a deeper clean compared to a manual toothbrush while being gentle on your gums. It features a round brush head designed to cup each tooth, helping to fight cavities effectively. There's a sensitive plus mode for a softer brushing experience, 2 easy-to-use cleaning modes, and a handle-integrated quadrant timer to make sure you brush all areas of your mouth evenly, just like dentists recommend. It's rechargeable and designed to work with a variety of Oral-B brush heads so you can personalize your clean. Testing this in my daily routine, I found it surprisingly easy to incorporate. The toothbrush feels lightweight in hand, yet solidly built, and the battery life is impressive. I could go several days between charges without noticing any drop in performance. The round brush head does reach areas a manual toothbrush simply can't, giving a noticeably cleaner feel. Sensitive Plus mode is a lifesaver for mornings when your gums feel tender. It's gentle but still effective, without leaving any gritty residue. One small downside is that the handle can feel a little slippery when wet, but it's nothing a firm grip can't solve. So what's working well here? The brush is efficient, gentle, and easy to use. The timer is a thoughtful touch that keeps your brushing thorough. On the flip side, it doesn't come with multiple brush heads in this package, which means additional investment if you want different cleaning styles. When it comes to value for money, the Pro 500 sits at a moderate price point. Considering the quality of cleaning, battery longevity, and the trusted Oral-B brand, I'd say it's justified, especially if you're serious about dental care. Compared to some higher-end models with multiple modes and apps, it's simpler but still very effective. Perfect for someone who wants solid performance without overcomplicating things. The build quality is reliable, with a durable handle and long-lasting battery. This isn't a product that feels flimsy or cheaply made. It's designed to last. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Oral-B is known for responsive customer service and their 30-day money-back guarantee, which adds an extra layer of reassurance if you're trying an electric toothbrush for the first time. If you're considering alternatives, some lower-priced electric toothbrushes offer fewer modes and shorter battery life, so the Pro 500 stands out for its simplicity, reliability, and gentle cleaning power. It's a worthwhile investment if you want a balance of performance and ease of use. Overall, the Oral-B Pro 500 delivers on its promises. It cleans thoroughly, protects sensitive gums, and makes brushing an effortless part of your daily routine. I'd recommend it to anyone looking to upgrade from a manual toothbrush without diving into overly complicated models. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Oral-B Pro 500 is in the comments. If you've tried this toothbrush, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.